It's just that I always try to tell people you want to make sure you are presenting an argument in a way saying what the judges want to hear. Because
Yeah.
a lot of times when people go in front of courts, there's a difference between what the person wants to say and where the judge wants to hear in terms of addressing the issue. And so even if a person is pro bono, really taking the time to make sure you're doing that so a judge doesn't get irritated and just tune you out and start to throw it away, which I've seen some do, not all, but some. So that's a very, very important process.
Amen.
Yeah. And let me say this. I have some cases right now where the Supreme Court had sent the case to appeals and requested them to settle the case with some of my clients, which is very important. And a lot of them are in the process of negotiating. You understand? But I feel like this, that you should always be honest. I'm 53 years old, so I grew up and I learned to always be honest, straightforward, always be positive. But I learned, like, there is no integrity in our society,
Yeah.
and we really need integrity to come back. But I don't think it's coming back anymore
It's not.
because
It's not.
because it's just like, no, it's the political realm, it's the spiritual realm where it's hitting the churches, and it seems like, to me, the people that have integrity are the ones that are struggling, that's are on the streets, trying to get ahead. But our political and spiritual leaders and activists have no integrity whatsoever. It's like they sleeping with the devil.
Hmm. I feel like that there are, there's probably, it's always going to be some. It's always rams in the bush. It's just that we know that the Bible said, in the last days, men's heart will wax cold, and people are challenged, different challenges for different people sometimes. And I'm not that we absolve them for wrongdoing, but I truly believe that people are in high places are threatened to conform. There's nowhere in the world Lincoln gets shot in the face and Kennedy gets shot in the head, and you're going to tell me after that no one else was threatened? I refuse to believe that. I mean, I truly think that. So when I see people and they're doing something questionable and they're in a high place and you kind of know how they think, you go, "Wow, what made them do that?" And I go back to Lincoln, I go back to Kennedy, and even Reagan shot in his. He got shot in the side. So we do know that the world is wicked. We're